Vortex. It's spelled with a J in the middle. Yeah, it's W-O something J. Let's go, baby. Let's get it, Vortex. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There we go. There we go. Come on, Vortex, stay with him. Let's go, Vortex! Come on, Vortex, come on, Vortex. Come on, Vortex. Vortex! Come on, get it to Blake, get it to Blake, get it to Blake. Come on, Vortex. Let's go, Blake. Show man, we do it, baby. Let's go, Blake. Let's go, Blake. Get us back in it, Blake. Oh, close it, Blake. Fight, Blake. Fight, Blake. Fight, Blake. Fight. Get out, Ryan. You gotta go. I need to see some magic. Let's go, Ryan. But the thing is, they need to get it to him in a certain time for Daniel to go hard. Because, like, it's a certain time they need, you know, they're trying to make, and he's like, 544, 545, somewhere around there. And if he gets it to Daniel by then, Daniel will go hard. But If not,
telling me that Daniel won't run hard if he doesn't get us so hard.
Not as hard because he don't want to kill himself and it's not gonna make the time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, does he have enough rest today?
No, but I'm just. Come on, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Go get you one. Go get you one. What time did he get it to me? I don't know.
It was like 5:55.
Ah, yeah. We'll see what Daniel do. He gonna get that guy. I can guarantee you that one. I'm just worried about that first guy. He got the first guy. He got that guy right there in front of him. Just saying. Just saying. Now it's a matter of getting. He can get the next one. It matter if he go hard or not.
Yeah, Daniel.
Picking them out one by one, baby. Got him. On to the next one. Let's go, baby. Daniel coming for him. I don't know if you see that or not. He coming for him, okay? Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Oh, yes. My blood's pumping. My blood's boiling. I know. We gotta go with him.
We rode in the same van.
Same van.
I asked him to turn up there and he did it.
He handed me a
Did he touch it? Did he drink it? Can I hold the bottle in?
Let's go, Daniel! The guy behind him just tagged along. He rolling with him. He passed. He was like, yes. I don't know what lap this is, to be honest with you.
You can't see their fingers. I have bad eyes.
Daniel used a lot going out. Oh, boy. No, they didn't ring the bell yet, so I don't think it's last. Yeah, they can catch them together and Daniel can win.
There you go, Daniel.
Ooh. Daniel gangster. He said, no, sir. No, sir. Is that the last lap? Oh, cool, cool, cool. Oh, we in good position then. We in good position. Let's go, Daniel! Let's go, Daniel! They're running side by side. Hey, buddy. Oh, crap. Here we go. Come on, Daniel. It's the last lap, baby. Huh? Oh, he burnt, I think. He's burnt.
What